Holyland Lark 150 clip-on wireless microphone system. So let's check this out. So from Holyland. Oh wow. So this is it. First of all, they have the Holyland card and user guide always on top of the box. And this is, so that's the user guide. And this is, so meron siya ditong nakabox. Let's see what is inside. So curious, huh? So this is the free USB cable and Type-C cable, and two microphone, extra microphone, clip microphone for audio, and there is a PRS cable or audio cable for connection, and also two buds free, and windscreen, 2 pieces windscreen free. And so that's the free, guys, 2 pieces. Wow, very light. So this is a transmitter or microphone. We have 2 pieces siya, guys. Wow, pretty light, pretty small, and made of plastic. Ang gaan. And this one is for a battery indicator or battery charging. And this is for microphone, and this one is for clip. So clip mo lang siya, guys, sa t-shirt. And this is for charging contact. Yan, ito yung charging contact. Charging. Yan, dyan mo siya charge. And ito naman yung mute. Yan, mute. So wow, pretty small. Receiver. So ito yung receiver niya. So the size niya is 2 inches and 1.5 inches, and meron siyang clip and also charging contact. Yan. Meron siyang mute, mono. Makikita mo dyan kung nag-charge siya o wala. Yan. Ito yung charging. Tapos ito yung volume. Ito yung volume niya. Right and left. Left channel and right channel. Then, kung lubat na siya, i-charge mo lang siya dito. Yan. Box na siya, tapos built-in charger pa siya. So, ano lang siya, pwede mo siya hand carry. Diyan yung i-charge. Dito yung dalawang microphone sa gilid. Ilalagay mo lang siya. Yan. Then, charge na siya. Yan. Diba? Wow. Then, close. So now, itatry na natin yung microphone ng Holyland Lark 150 dito sa labas. It's morning today, 6:30 AM. So, i-try na natin siya. Let's give it a try! nakabit na natin siya, guys. So, ito yung receiver niya. On lang natin siya dito. May power on naman siya dito. Tapos, kukonect na natin siya sa adapter niya. Here. Yan. Then, gagamitin natin yung dalawang mic. Yan. On. I-on na natin siya. Wop. So, makikita mo dyan kapag ready na yung gadget kasi meron siyang power dito. Yan. So, try na natin. Tapos, ito yung ng microphone niya. Windscreen. So, lalagay natin siya dito sa top. Yan. Then, testing na natin siya. So, let's give it a try. So, tingnan natin yung layo niya. Kung saan siya banda aabot. So, let's start now. Start na natin yung video. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung, makikita mo yung, yan. Kapag ginagamit na yung mic, nandyan makikita mo yung line niya, channel 1, tsaka channel 2. So, let's go now. Siguro mga 50 feet. Yan. Alaman natin doon kapag may signal pa siya. Yan. So, ang camera nandun sa may doon sa may puno. So, hanggang dito tayo sa dulo. Yan. Dito na ako ngayon sa pader. So, hello. Channel 1. Channel 2. Test. Microphone test. Init. So, nandoon yung camera natin. There. Sa puno ng orange. So, it's about 50 feet. So, 50 feet, guy. I'm using the mic. Ooh. So, this is the microphone. Ginamit ko palang camera is Sony zv1 camera. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung vlog ko at nakakuha kayo ng idea regarding sa microphone na pwede nyong gamitin sa inyong GoPro or camera like Sony zv1. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like na rin sa video ko. See you!